Start the class. The last class we have discussed this type of integration. Integrals are the form 1 over ax square plus b into cx square plus b. So for this type, we have to assume that can assume either x equal to 1 by t or cx square plus d by ax square plus b as t square. Okay. In order to evaluate 1 over ax square plus b cx square plus d, integral 1 over ax square plus b into cx square plus d dx. We have to assume that either x equal to 1 by t or cx square plus d by ax square plus b equal to t square. See this problem, evaluate integral 1 over 1 plus x square into square root of 1 minus x square dx. Since the denominator is of the form ax square plus b into cx square plus d. Even though we have square root, no need to bother about that. So the form a square plus b into cx square plus d. So for this problem, if you assume that x equal to cx square plus d by ax square plus b as t square, then it will be tedious to solve this problem. Okay, so I'm taking x equal to 1 by t. I'm going to use this result x equal to 1 by t. So if x equals 1 by t, then what is dx? When you differentiate, you'll be getting differentiation of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square dt. Okay. So the above problem becomes integral. Replace the value of dx. It is minus 1 by t square dt. And what is 1 plus x square? What we have taken, x is 1 by t. Therefore, this becomes 1 plus 1 by t square into square root of 1 minus x square. So, square root of 1 minus x square is 1 by t square. Or 1 minus 1 by t square whole to the power 1 by 2. Simplify the integrand. In the numerator, we have 1 by t square. Here, if you simplify, you'll be getting t square plus 1 by t square when you cross multiply. Here you'll be getting t square minus 1 by t square. It is in the square root. So if you take it outside, you'll be getting t. This t square and t square will cancel. So what is remaining? 1 by t. Then this becomes minus t dt by t square plus 1 into square root of t square minus 1. So now we have to evaluate this integral. How to evaluate this? Since the differentiation of t square is 2t dt, we know that, right? Differentiation of t square is 2t dt. Here 2 is missing. So I'm going to use the substitution method. It is t square minus 1 as u square. T square minus 1 as u square. When you differentiate, you'll be getting t dt. T dt. Okay. So I'm taking this as u square. So if you differentiate, you'll be getting 2t dt in the left hand side, and differentiation of u square is 2u du. Cancelling 2 on both sides. What is t dt? It is u du. Therefore, this t dt can be replaced by u du. Instead of t square minus 1 equal to u square, if you take t square minus 1 equal to u, then it will be complicated here. Okay. So t square minus, take t square minus 1 as u square. Okay. So this becomes u du by t square plus 1. What is t square from this equation? U square plus 1. So u square plus 1 into square root of u square. Square root of u square is u, cancelling u. So du by u square plus this 2 can be written as root 2 the whole square. Okay. So this is of the form integral dx by x square plus a square. What is the formula? 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So 1 by a, what is a here? This is the form x square plus a square. Here u is a variable. So a is root 2. 1 by root 2 tan inverse x. X is u. U by root 2. What is u? U can be replaced by what is u square? U square is t square minus 1. Therefore, u is square root of t square minus 1. So, square root of t square minus 1 by root 2. Okay. Again, t can be replaced by 1 by x. So, 1 by x square minus 1. Okay. Therefore, this is 1 minus x square by root x square is x. So, x root 2. This is the answer. But if you do this problem by using this substitution. That is, if you take cx square plus b by ax square plus b. What is cx square plus b by ax square plus b here? 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So if you take 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square as t square, then it will be tedious. That I have done here. This is very lengthy, so this will be easy. So this is the easiest way to solve this problem. Instead of taking ax square plus b by cx square plus d as t square, we can take x equal to 1 by t. We can use this substitution. This is the next type. Integral square root of x minus alpha into beta minus x. Product of x minus alpha and beta minus x. Where alpha and beta are constants. Dx. Okay. And integral 1 over square root of x minus alpha into beta minus x. 1 over square root of x minus alpha into beta minus x dx. And the third one is square root of x minus alpha by beta minus x, where beta is greater than alpha. So in this type of integrals, we have to use the following substitution. The substitution is x equal to alpha cos square theta plus beta sin square. Okay, so we are transforming the variable x into a new variable, thus theta. So what is the substitution or what is the transformation we are using here? Thus x equal to alpha cos square theta plus beta sin square theta. Now look at this problem. Evaluate integral square root of x minus 3 into 7 minus x dx. See the given integral. Here the integrand is square root of x minus 3 into 7 minus x. This is the form square root of x minus alpha into beta minus x. X minus alpha into beta minus x. Okay. So you compare the given integral with the general form. What is the general form? Integral square root of x minus alpha into beta minus x dx. Get the values of alpha and beta. Okay, what is alpha? Here, alpha is 3. What is beta? It is 7. Okay, so what transformation we have to use for this type of integrals? X equal to alpha cos square theta plus beta sin square theta. So x equal to alpha is 3, so 3 cos square theta, and beta is 7, so 7 sin square theta. We are going to transform the integrand into a new variable theta. Therefore, we have to find dx. Okay, differentiate this equation on both sides with respect to x. Differentiation of x is dx. And differentiation of cos square theta is 2 cos theta. 2 cos theta into differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. So you'll be getting 6. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 cos theta minus sin theta, and differentiation of theta is d theta. Here, plus here we have sin square theta. So differentiation of sin square theta is 2 sin theta, and differentiation of sin is cos theta, and differentiation of theta is d theta. So 2 sine theta cos theta d theta, already we have 7. Therefore 14 sine theta cos theta d theta. Here we have minus 6 sine theta cos theta d theta plus 4 sine theta cos theta d theta. So 14 minus 6 is 8. So 8 sine theta cos theta d theta. This is the value of dx. Okay. Next I am going to find what is x minus 3 and then 7 minus x. Find x minus 3. What is x minus 3? X is 3 cos square theta plus 7 sin square theta. Substitute the value of x here, minus 3. Simplify this term. Here, from these two terms, 3 is common, so take it outside. 3 into cos square theta minus 1. What is the formula for cos square theta minus 1? It is sin square theta, minus sin square theta. So what you are getting, 7 sin square theta minus 3 sin square theta, it is 4 sin square. Take it as equation number 1. Now find the value of 7 minus x. What is 7 minus x? This is the value of x. So 7 minus of 3 cos square theta plus 7 sin square theta. Bring this minus inside the bracket. So minus 3 cos square theta minus 7 sin square. From these two terms, 7 is common. So take it outside. So 7 into 1 minus sin square theta minus 3 cos square theta. Now write the formula for 1 minus sin square theta. It is cos square theta. 7 cos square theta minus 3 cos square theta is 4 cos square. Take it as equation number. Now substitute all these values. X minus 3, 7 minus x and dx. The given integral. Therefore, the given integral becomes integral square root of x minus 3 value is 4 sin square theta and 7 minus x is 4 cos square theta. This is the value of dx. You will understand? What is square root of 16? Here we have 16. Square root of 16 is 4. Already we have 8. So if you multiply, then you will get 32. Okay, so 32 is a constant here. Integral sin square theta cos square theta. Root of sin square theta cos square theta is sin theta cos theta. Already we have sin theta cos theta. So you will get sin square theta cos square theta. Okay. Now I am going to rewritten as 32 can be written as 8 into 4. So 8 into 4 sin square theta cos square theta d theta. This is my integral because I know the formula for 4 sin square theta cos square theta. That's why I'm writing like this. What is the formula for sin 2 theta? Anybody? What's the formula for sin 2 theta? It's here only. Can anyone tell the formula? What's the formula for sin 2 theta?
2 sin theta cos theta, ma'am.
Yes, very good. 2 sin theta cos theta. Therefore, sin square 2 theta. On squaring both sides, we get sin square 2 theta is equal to 4 sin square theta cos square theta. So this can be replaced by sin square 2 theta cos theta. Sin square 2 theta d theta. Now, what is the formula for sin square 2 theta? We know that cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So from this 2 sin square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta. So sin square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Here we have sine square 2 theta. In the place of theta, we have 2 theta. This is the formula for sine square theta. I want the formula for sine square 2 theta. So just you replace theta by 2 theta. This formula. So you'll be getting sine square 2 theta in the left hand side. In the right hand side, you will be getting 1 minus cos. You are replacing theta by 2 theta. So here you will get 4 theta. Theta by 2 theta. So 4 theta. 1 minus cos 4 theta by, okay, substituted here, cancelling the constant terms. So the constant is now 4. Integral 1 minus cos 4 theta d theta. We can separate the integrals here. So integral 4 d theta minus integral cos 4 theta d theta. What is integral d theta? Here the integration and differentiation will get cancelled. So you'll be getting theta. So 4 theta. Here integral cos 4 theta d theta. What is integral cos 4 theta? It is sine 4 theta by 4. So 4 and 4 will get cancelled. 4 theta minus, what's the formula for sine 4 theta? We have studied that sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. Therefore sine 4 theta is, replace theta by again 2 theta. You get the value of sine 4 theta. Okay, so if you replace theta by 2 theta in the above result, we get 2 sine 2 theta cos 2 theta. So here I have replaced. Now I am going to simplify this. So 2 sine 2 theta cos 2 theta. Again, we can write the formula for sine 2 theta. It is 2 sine theta cos theta. This is cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta formula is 2 cos square theta minus 1. So the final answer is 4 theta minus, this is 4 sine theta cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. So this is the evaluation of the given integration. But we are getting in terms of theta. But the problem is in terms of x. So we need to change the variable theta from theta to x. So how we can change? What transformation we have used here? X equal to 3 cos square theta plus 7 sin square theta. Now I am going to replace the variable theta in terms of x. How we can replace? We have got the value of x minus 3 already. X minus 3 is in terms of theta, that is equation 1. And 7 minus x is also in terms of theta, that is equation 2. So from equation 1, I'm going to find what is sine square theta. X minus 3 is equal to 4 sine square theta. So I can get the value of sine square theta from equation 1. The sine square theta from equation 1 is x minus 3 divided by 4. X minus 3 divided by 4. Okay. And what is the value of cos square theta from equation 2? It is 7 minus 6 divided by 4. Sine square theta is x minus 3 by 4. Therefore, sine theta value is x minus 3 by 4 whole to the power 1 by 2, because we have sine theta and cos theta in equation number 3. We need to find the values of sine theta, cos theta, theta and cos square theta in terms of x. Okay, how to get the value of sine theta and cos theta? We can easily get these values from equation 3 and 4, because equations 1 and 2, because in equation 1 we have sine square theta. From that I can find sine theta. Okay, so this is the value of sine theta, and we can get the value of theta also from this. What is theta? The sine inverse. Sine inverse of x minus 3 by 4 whole to the power 1. Okay, next. You no need to find the value of cos theta. We can directly find the value of sine theta into cos theta, product of sine theta and cos theta. How we can get this value? How we can get this value? See equations 1 and 2. See equations 1 and 2. Multiply these two equations. So in the left hand side, if you multiply these two equations, in the left hand side, you will get x minus 3 into 7 minus x. X minus 3 into 7 minus x equal to, the right hand side, you'll be getting 4 sine square theta into 4 cos square theta, or 16 sine square theta cos square theta. That's what I have written here. So 16 sine square theta cos square theta is x minus 3 into 7 minus x. So I can find the value of 4 sine theta cos theta now. Okay. If you take the square root on both sides, then we can get the value of 4 sine theta cos theta is equal to square root of x minus 3 into 7 minus x. So this 4 sine theta cos theta is replaced by root of x minus 3 into 7 minus x. And this theta can be replaced by sine inverse of x minus 3 by 4 whole to the power 1 by 2. Next we have to find this value cos square theta. For that you can use equation number 2. What is cos square theta value? It is 7 minus x by 4. 7 minus x by 4. You can directly substitute it here. 7 minus x by 4. Okay, from equation 2, cos square theta value 7 minus x by 4. So we can substitute it here. After simplification, this is the final answer. You all understand this problem? Any doubts? If you have no doubts, then I will move on to the next problem. The next problem is integral 5 minus x by x minus 2 whole to the power 1 by 2 dx. Here the given integral is of the form alpha minus x by beta minus x. This type. X minus alpha by beta minus x whole to the power 1 by 2. X minus alpha by beta minus x. So for this type also we have to use the substitution that x equal to alpha cos square theta plus beta sin square. So here I have taken actually the minus sign outside. You no need to take the minus sign outside. Directly you can solve the problem by keeping the integrand as it is. Okay, 5 minus x by x minus 2. Here, if you compare the given integrand with the general form, then alpha value is 5 and beta value is 2. Therefore, the substitution is x equal to alpha cos square theta plus beta sin square theta. No, so 5 cos square theta plus 2 sin square theta. Get the value of dx. For that, we need to differentiate this equation with respect to x on both sides. So dx is, what is the differentiation of cos square theta? Can anybody tell? Differentiation of cos square theta is? Can anyone unmute and say the answer? What is the differentiation of cos square theta? Just tell me. I've studied differentiation already, no? What is the differentiation of cos square theta? This 2 cos theta, and the differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta. So you'll be getting 10 cos theta into minus sin theta d theta. Plus here we have 2 sin square theta. So plus 2 into what is the differentiation of sin square theta? Tell me what is the differentiation of x square? You all able to hear me? What is the differentiation of sin theta? So 4 sin theta cos theta d theta. Sin square theta differentiation is 2 sin theta and differentiation of sin is cos and differentiation of theta is d theta. So 4 sin theta cos theta d theta. Here we have minus 10 sin theta cos theta. So minus 10 plus 4 is minus 6. So minus 6 sin theta cos theta d theta is dx. Okay. So you substitute the value of dx and find x minus 5. What is x minus 5? Or you can directly find 5 minus x. Okay. What is 5 minus x? Here I have found x minus 5. X is 5 cos square theta plus 2 sin square theta minus 5 divided by 2 minus x. So 2 minus of, this is the value of x. Okay. So 5 into, here from these two terms 5 is common. From the first and the third term 5 is common, take it outside. So 5 into cos square theta minus 1 plus 2 sin square theta. And here from 2 minus 2 sin square theta, 2 is common, so take it outside. 1 minus sin square theta minus 5 cos square theta. Now write the formula for cos square theta minus 1 is sin square theta. Here we have to write the formula for 1 minus sin square theta, it is cos square theta. Okay, so what is minus 5 sin square theta plus 2 sin square theta? Minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3. Here we have 2 cos square theta minus 5 cos square theta. So 2 minus 5 is minus 3 cos square theta. So if you simplify, you will get root 3 and root 3 will get cancelled. So 6 is the constant now. And square root of sin square theta is sin theta. Square root of cos square theta is cos theta. Cancelling is cos theta. So what you are getting? Sin square theta d theta. Now write the formula for sin square theta. It is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Cancelling this 6 and 2. You are getting 3. 1 minus cos 2 theta d theta. Separate the integral. So integral d theta minus integral cos 2 theta. What is integral cos 2 theta d theta? It is sin 2 theta divided by the constant term is 2. Cos a theta is sin a theta by a. That is the formula, right? So minus 3 theta plus 3. Now we are writing the formula for sin 2 theta. It is 2 sin theta cos theta, cancelling 2. Now we have to replace theta in terms of x. So the final answer is, this is the final answer. If you find the value of 5 minus x, what is 5 minus x? 5 minus of, this is the value of x. So 5 minus 5 cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta. If you bring this minus inside the bracket, simplify. So 5 minus 5 cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta. Take minus, 5 outside. So 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. 5 minus 2 is 3 sin square theta. From this I can get the value of sin square theta and sin theta and hence theta. Theta is sin inverse of square root of 5 minus x by 3. What is the answer here in terms of theta? In terms of theta, this is the result. Minus 3 theta plus theta into sin theta cos theta. So we need to find the values of theta, Sin theta, cos theta. We have got the value of theta. Next, we have to find the value of sin theta, cos theta. To take the product of both 5 minus x and x minus 2 plus 9 sin square theta, cos square theta. Take the square root on both sides. So 3 sin theta, cos theta is square root of 5 minus 6 into x minus 2. Substitute it here. In this equation, you will get the value of, you will get the final answer. So this is the final answer. The next problem is evaluate integral 1 over square root of x minus alpha into beta minus x. 1 upon root of x minus alpha into beta minus x. As we have discussed in the last two problems, we have taken x equal to alpha cos square theta plus beta sin square theta, the similar type. So find dx. What is dx? Differentiation of cos square is 2 cos theta. 2 cos theta and differentiation of cos is minus sin theta. Alpha is the constant here. And differentiation of theta is dt. Plus beta into differentiation of sin square is 2 sin theta and differentiation of sin theta is cos theta d theta. So what is dx? Dx is here 2 sin theta cos theta d theta is common from these two equations. From these two expressions. 2 sin theta cos theta d theta is common. 2 sin theta cos theta d theta here we have, and here also we have 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. Take it outside. So what you are getting inside the bracket minus alpha plus beta. Minus alpha plus beta. This is the value of dx. Next I am going to find the value of x minus alpha and beta minus x. What is x minus alpha? This is the value of x. Alpha cos square theta plus beta sin square theta minus alpha. Okay. So from alpha cos square theta minus alpha, I can take alpha outside. We will be getting cos square theta minus 1 plus beta sin square theta. Cos square theta minus 1 is minus sin square theta. So minus alpha sin square theta plus beta sin square theta. Take sin square theta outside. So we will be getting beta minus alpha. This is the value of x minus alpha. Next, we have to find the value of beta minus x. So what is beta minus x? Beta minus x is beta minus, this is the value of x, alpha cos square theta plus beta sin square theta. Bring the minus sign inside the bracket. So minus alpha cos square theta minus beta sin square theta. Okay. So from these two expressions, that is beta minus beta sin square theta, I can take beta outside. So what are you getting? 1 minus sin square theta minus alpha cos square theta. What is 1 minus sin square theta? It is cos square theta. So beta cos square theta minus alpha cos square theta. From this, we can take cos square theta outside. It is common. So cos square theta into beta minus alpha. This is the value of beta minus x. Substitute everything in the given integral. Therefore, the integrand becomes 2 into beta minus alpha sin theta cos theta by square root of beta minus alpha the whole square into sin square theta cos square theta. This is the value of the product of alpha minus x and beta minus x. So now, what is square root of beta minus alpha the whole square? It is beta minus alpha. Cancelling these two. What is square root of sin square theta cos square theta? It is sin theta cos theta. So cancelling these two. So we have only integral d theta. This integral d theta, it is theta. Now we have to replace theta in terms of x. Already we have got the values of x minus alpha and beta minus alpha. Okay, so sin square theta is x minus alpha by beta minus alpha. From this we can find the value of theta. It is sin inverse of square root of x minus alpha by beta minus alpha. Sin theta is square root. So theta is sine inverse of square root of x minus alpha by beta minus alpha. Substitute it here. So 2 times sine inverse of x minus alpha by beta minus alpha square root. This constant of integration is C. So this is the final answer. So far we have discussed various types of integrations. We discuss what are all the types that we have studied earlier. What is the substitution and what are all the types. Okay, are you all able to see the new screen? This first one, integral px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c dx. For this type, how to evaluate this type of integral? Can anyone tell? It's given in the right hand side. What substitution we have to use to evaluate this type of integral? Can anyone unmute and say the answer? For this type, how to evaluate? Px plus q, the numerator is equal to a into d by dx of the denominator plus b. A and b are the constants that are to be determined. Okay. And the second type, for the second type also, what is the second type? Integral px plus q by square root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. Okay. For this type also, we are using the same substitution. What is the third type? Integral px plus q into square root of product of px plus q into square root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. For this type also, we are using the same substitution. Okay. Next, integral 1 over px plus q. If px plus q comes in the denominator, then what is the substitution we are using? Px plus q as 1 by t. Px plus q can be taken as 1 by t. Next, px plus q into square root of ax plus b. Okay, for this type, we are using ax plus b equal to t square. Next, ax square plus b into square root of cx square plus d. For this type of integrals, we can either use x equal to 1 by t or cx square plus d by ax square plus b as t square. Okay. And what is the second, what is the next type? Integral square root of x minus alpha or x minus a into b minus x dx. For this type, we are using the substitution that x equal to a cos square theta plus b sin square theta. Okay, then the next type is integral 1 over square root of x minus a into b minus x dx. For this type, also we are using the same substitution, x equal to a cos square theta plus b sin square theta. Or if it is alpha and beta, then alpha cos square theta plus beta sin square theta. Then third, last one is x minus alpha by beta minus x or x minus a by b minus x dx. For this type also we are using the same substitution. These steps we have to discuss. Now I move on to the next method, integration by parts. If u and v are functions of x, this is one of the method to evaluate the given indefinite integrals, integration by parts. If u and v are functions of x, then integral u dv is uv minus integral v du. Okay. If u and v are functions of x, then what is the formula? Integral u dv is uv minus integral v du. Here, the choices of u are very important. That will make the problem simple. Okay. So, how to select u? That is given here. If there is any inverse functions in the given integral, then you have to give the first priority for inverse functions. That can be taken as u. Okay. The next choice is logarithmic functions. Third choice is algebraic functions or powers of x. Algebraic functions is nothing but powers of x. And fourth one is trigonometric functions. There is any trigonometric functions like sine, cosine, secant, tan, like that. And what is fifth one? Exponential functions. E power ax. So choices for u are very important. This is the order of choices that is to be followed in the selection of u. Okay, this can be remembered with the help of this acronym I late. I is inverse functions and L refers logarithmic functions. A is algebraic functions. T is trigonometric and A is exponential. So, what is this method? Integration by parts. If u and v are any two functions, both are functions of x, then integral u dv. This is the formula. Integral u dv is uv minus integral v du. So the success of this method depends on the proper choice of u and v. Proper choice of u and v. If there is any inverse functions in the given integrand, then you have to give the first priority for inverse functions. Okay. If there is any logarithmic functions, then you have to give the second priority. This is the order we have to follow. Got it? You will understand. Any doubts in this? See the first problem, evaluate integral x e power x dx. So the given integral is of the form integral u dv. Integral u dv. Okay, this is of the form integral u dv. Okay, here we have algebraic function and exponential function. So what is your u? How will you select your u? The first priority is to be given for inverse functions. There is no inverse functions here. And the second priority is for logarithmic functions. There is no logarithmic functions here. And third one is for algebraic functions. Algebraic functions means powers of x. Here we have x. Power is 1. So I am going to take it as u. My u is x. What is dv? The remaining part is dv. So dv is e power x dx. You'll understand? Unmute and speak something else. Are you all writing in your notebook? So from this dx is du. Okay. When you differentiate, you'll be getting dx is equal to du. This is dv. dv is e power x dx. Now integrate on both sides. What is integral dv? It is v. Okay. What is integral e power x dx? Integral e power x dx is e power x. So v is e power x. Therefore, integral u dv is, what's the formula? uv minus integral v du. That is the formula. So uv, what is uv? U is x. What is v? V is e power x. So uv minus integral v du. V is e power x dx. So now we have to integrate this one. What is integral e power x dx? It is e power x. So x e power x minus e power x. E power x is common, take it out. So x minus 1 into e power x plus constant of integrations. The next problem is integral cos x cos 2x dx. Here there is no inverse functions, logarithmic functions, but we have trigonometric as well as algebraic functions. So we need to give the first priority for algebraic functions. Here the algebraic function is x. Okay, so that can be taken as u, and the remaining part is, this is dv. Differentiate. So here you will get dx in the left hand side, in the right hand side is du. You integrate on both sides. Integral dv is v. What is integral cos 2x? What is integral cos 2x? This is the formula. Integral cos 2x dx is, what's the formula? It is cos a in general. Cos ax dx is sin ax. Sin ax by a. The constant term is a. Here we have 2, so sin 2x by. Now substitute in the formula. The formula is integral. This is the form integral u dv. So what is the formula? uv minus integral v du. Okay. So uv, u is x. What is v? V is this one, sin 2x by 2 minus integral. This is v. Du is dx. Du is dx. So uv minus integral v du. Okay. Here 1 by 2 is a constant. Take it outside. So we have integral sin 2x. What is integral sin ax dx? This is the general formula. Integral sin ax dx is minus cos ax. Integration of sin is minus cos by the constant term is a. So here minus cos 2x by 2. You simplify this second term, then you will get 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 cos 2x plus. You all understand this problem? The next problem is integral x secant square x dx. Okay, this is of the form integral u dv. U dv. Here there is no inverse function as well as no logarithmic function. So the first priority is to be given for algebraic function. Algebraic function is here x, so that can be taken as u, and the remaining part is dv. Secant square dx is dv. When you differentiate, you will be getting dx is equal to du. Here we need to integrate. Okay, what is integral dv? D and integration will get cancelled, so you'll get d. For the inverse process, so v. What is integral secant square x dx? It is tan x formula. Therefore, the given integral is uv minus integral v du. This is the formula. What is uv? U is x, v is tan x. So this is uv minus integral v du. V is tan x dx. What is integral tan x? Formula is log secant x. So minus log secant x. The next problem, evaluate integral x by 1 minus cos x dx. Before you going to substitute, use the substitution method, we need to simplify because we have 1 minus cos x in the denominator. We know the formula for 1 minus cos x. So first you simplify that term. This is the formula for 1 minus cos x. It is 2 sine square x by 2. Okay, here 1 by 2 is a constant. Take it outside. So x. This 1 by sine square can be written as cosecant square x by 2. Cosecant square x by 2. So the given problem gets reduced as x cosecant square x by 2. This is the given problem. Take it as equation number 1. Here we have algebraic function as well as trigonometric function. So this x can be taken as u. The remaining part is dv. When you differentiate, you'll be getting dx is equal to du. And when you integrate this, what you'll get? Integral dv is v. And the integral cosecant square x by 2 is minus 2 cot x by 2. That's the formula. Cosecant square is minus cot, minus 2 cot x by 2. Therefore, the given integral is uv minus integral v du. U is x, v is minus 2 cot x by 2. Okay, minus integral v du. Here minus 2 is a constant. Take it outside. Already we have minus. So plus 2 integral cot x by 2. The formula for integral cot x is log sine x by 2. We are able to understand this concept, integration by parts. That okay, stop with this. See you in the next class.